What's good, everybody on YouTube? My name is CClaxton, and I'm a photographer, videographer, and content creator here in Brooklyn, New York City. I wanted a space in my home that would be perfect for all my content creating needs, and this is where this desk setup comes in. I bought all of my products from Amazon on sale during Prime Day, so I've had them in my room for a while, and I'm going to show you why. So the reason why my desk setup still isn't complete is because I got this desk from IKEA, and as you see, this Alex drawer is perfect, right? But when you come to this one right here, it doesn't really line up. So when it comes to all the brackets that were pre-built within, they are placed in the wrong areas. So I was unable to complete this desk setup. So now, after 2 phone calls with IKEA, they sent me a brand new Alex drawer so I can finally take this one out, put in the new one, and start setting up my desk setup. It just hurts that I have to do this whole entire thing twice, but let's get into it. Alright, so now as you can see, I'm just opening up my IKEA box. I don't know why IKEA packages are always so hard to get into, but this box had a ton of pieces, so as you can see, I'm just placing all of them out. And if you ever built anything from IKEA, you know that the directions are never very clear, nor do they have words, so it's just being able to follow pictures correctly. Remember when I told y'all the Alex drawer that I got with my original order was messed up, so I had to wait a week to get a new one? The new one they sent me had the same issue as the original. Let me show you. Alright, so first, this is how it's supposed to look. Everything fits perfectly, no issues, right? With the one that I got originally, none of them line up. So I already removed the top drawer, but as you can see, it's not enough room to fit the drawers. It's supposed to be a small one here, a small one here, and then this large one is supposed to go here. Well, it's supposed to go here, here, and here. But look at this. There's no room to fit another Alex drawer. Well, yeah, Alex drawer here. So I have my new one, right? Boom. It's supposed to be a small, and then large, large, large. I put 2 smalls here. Look at the gap. The gap is huge. So I can put a large one here instead of the small one, but that's not how it's supposed to be, which means there's not going to be space for all of them to fit, and I'm going to have a huge gap. Let me show y'all. Alright, so now I have the top drawer that's supposed to be there, and I have a large drawer underneath. You see, there's still a gap. Still a gap. So some of you may be thinking, hey, just put a big drawer on top and see if it'll close the gap. Let's find out if it will. Alright, so now as you can see, I put a larger drawer to close the gap, right? But look at that, it doesn't fit. The same issue I had with the original Alex drawer, and the only reason why I had to wait a week to start my desk build. I just spent over an hour building this one, and it's the exact same issue as the first one. So now the question is, do I contact Amazon again for the 3rd time to get a brand new Alex drawer, or I just leave the one that I have here and just continue with my build? So far I got 3, and 2 were messed up and 1 was perfect. Do I risk it again, or do I just keep moving? And for those of you thinking that, oh, maybe he messed up the build of the Alex drawer, no. These metal railings right here, these metal railings, so you can get a better view, come pre-attached to the side panels. Therefore, that had nothing to do with me. And I'm still messed up twice in a row. I have to open up all my monitors and packages because I have to make returns by August 11th. So let's say I wait another week, it's past August 11th, I open up my monitor, the monitor is cracked, I can't make a return. So I gotta do this now. So now I'm unboxing the WALI single monitor arm mount and stand. It's an adjustable gas spring arm monitor mount for displays up to 32 inches. and a captivity of 19.8 pounds. So far, I've been using the monitor mount for a few days and it's fully adjustable. I love the gas spring. It keeps my monitor exactly where I need it to be. Next, I'm unboxing the Sceptre 30-inch curved gaming monitor. It has a 2560 x 1080 resolution. It's slim, it has a HDMI port, a display port, it goes up to 200 Hz and has built-in speakers. This monitor also features AMD FreeSync, so I can now enjoy smooth video with seamless spot movement through fast-paced games and video. What's really cool about this monitor is that it has blue light shift, which reduces the monitor's blue light to protect eyes from fatigue, irritation, and strains. This enables me to work on documents, watch movies, or play games more comfortably for an extended period of time. Now I'm getting into the MOUNTUP single monitor desk mount. Like the other one, it's an adjustable gas spring monitor arm, and this one supports a max of 32 inches. This single monitor arm offers a wide range of movement and it supports rotations up to 360 degrees for a landscape or portrait orientation. It swivels 180 to share your display and tilts up to 90 degrees down plus 45 degrees for better viewing. What you see right here is the UGREEN Revodok USB-C docking station, a 9-in-1 dual mount 4K at 60 Hz extended PD dock for a MacBook with 2 display ports and 2 HDMI ports. It also has 10 GB per second USB-C and USB-A data ports. It also features 100 watt PD and features a port for gigabit Ethernet for macOS. Next, I'm getting into my Samsung 32-inch M80B 4K Ultra HD HDR smart computer monitor screen with streaming TV, a slim fit camera, wireless remote, and Alexa built in. This monitor is very different and probably a first of its kind. It has a built-in smart TV experience so you can enjoy Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming services while actually using your monitor as a monitor by itself. Samsung has designed this so you can use it without a computer at all. You can browse the web and work on projects without a separate PC with the new work mode. Now I'm setting up my monitor arm to my Samsung display. This setup was actually very simple and took me no time to complete. Now it's time for me to set up my next monitor with the matching arm. This one is the black monitor arm. But before I do that, I just need to make sure I have the right mount for the behind of my monitor. So funny thing is, I actually set up the entire monitor on the monitor arm, but I did not use the spacers with the screws, so I ended up having to take it apart and do it again. What you're seeing right here. And if you're wondering what I used to record this, it was my Insta360. Now it's time for the hardest part, which is the cable management. So my idea for this was to plug everything into one adapter and then Velcro command strip everything to the bottom of my desk. Thankfully, my original design did work out, which you're seeing me put into action right now. To get all the loose wires to stay together, I used some Velcro straps that I got from Amazon. Right now, I'm just trying to put everything together and make sure it works and hangs together. And this is the final product. Everything is command stripped to the bottom of my desk, and I do have some added tubes that I did get from Amazon as well. Now I'm just cleaning off some of the products from my old desk, making sure they're dust free and putting them on. And this is me testing out my desk setup. I think it works really well, but it is not done. I have a bunch more products coming in to make this desk even better and definitely add in some improvements. So now this is the final look at my desk. What do you guys think of the setup? I have my iPad Pro, my Xbox Series S, my iPad Mini, I have both of my monitors, my MacBook Pro, a Logitech mouse, Logitech keyboard. Keep in mind, everything will be linked down below.